alternate days are not the same as working together. Today you will build one 2-day cycle, fit whole cycles under the job, then finish the leftover on the correct person's day. By the end, you will know whose day the leftover falls on and why starting with a versus B changes the answer. Before calculating, separate what stays fixed from what changes. The job size in units is fixed. Whose day it is changes with the calendar, and that decides who finishes the leftover. Cycle block 2 days, 1 turn each. With a 36-unit job, A does 3 a day and B does 2 a day. Cycle total 3 plus 2 equals 5 units. Repeat this block, never invent a new sum midway. Carry the cycle forward under the job total. 7 cycles give 35 of 36 units. An 8th cycle would overshoot. Hold the leftover 1 unit on the board. Decision rule. The leftover 1 unit falls on the next calendar day. Day 15 is A's day when A starts, so finish at A's pace alone. 1 unit at 3 per day is 1/3 of a day. Total 14 and 1/3 days. Build LCM job and cycle from A equals 12, B equals 18, A starts. Job equals 36 units. A equals 3 day, B equals 2 day gives 5 units per 2-day cycle. 7 cycles gives 35 units. Day 15 finishes 1 divided by 3 day gives 14 1/3 days. 36 units. A equals 3 day, B equals 2 gives 5 per 2-day cycle. 7 full cycles equals 14 days gives 35 units done. 1 unit remains. Day 15 is A's at 3 day gives 1 divided by 3 day. Total equals 14 1/3 days. 14 1/3 days. The trap. Starting with B leaves the same 35 after 14 days, but clears the leftover at 2 day, gives 14 1/2 days. The exam trap is simple. Start with B instead, and the first 2 rows are identical, 7 cycles, 35 units, but the leftover unit is cleared at B's 2 units a day, taking half a day and giving 14 1/2 days. Same pair, same job, different answer. Alternating also costs nearly twice as long as working together. Before arithmetic on an alternate days question, which quantity must you identify first? The answer is the cycle size and who starts. That decides the leftover day's owner. Whole cycles are identical, only the starter letter changes the tail. You can now size a cycle, fit whole cycles under the job, and finish the leftover on the correct person's day. Comment below with one thing that still confused you. That feedback shapes the next lesson. Subscribe so the next lesson in this series lands in your feed. Then open the ExamMaster app and drill alternate days while this is fresh.